Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I decorated my bathroom, and at the end I'm gonna show you a picture of what my bathroom used to look like before we did anything to it. So first I'm going to be cleaning out this drawer and this cabinet and getting rid of things that I no longer need. I'm also going to be organizing this shelf ladder. This nail polish organizer or lipstick organizer I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use it for my essential oils that I use in my bath. And all these containers I also purchased at the Dollar Tree. Believe it or not, I use most of those things in there. I would say about 95% of those things I actually use. So now I'm gonna wipe down my drawer, and I do apologize for the way I'm recording. I'm new at this and it's actually not as easy as I thought it was going to be. So now I'm going to take those Dollar Tree containers and I'm going to try my hardest to organize most of the things as best as I possibly can. So this is a little DIY that I found on Pinterest. These are stove top covers that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna spray paint them white, and I'm gonna glue this candle stick holder onto them that I also found at the Dollar Tree. Just make sure you give them 2 coats of paint so that you cover up all the lettering very well. Once they're nice and dry, you now glue on your candlestick holder. This little DIY project only cost $2 at the Dollar Tree. I'm putting up this new shower curtain that I purchased from Target from the Hearth and Hand collection. Now I'm just cleaning the rod, and then I'm gonna go ahead and clean the walls and also the bathtub. My walls and my floor are granite, so I do have to use a granite safe spray to clean them. So this bath plank my husband made for me, I was actually in the market for one, but they are over $100, and I didn't want to spend over $100 on essentially a piece of wood, and I love how it turned out. If you are interested in learning how to make something like this, follow me on my Instagram and I'll eventually post on there how we did this. On my little DIY tray, I'm going to place all my little bath salts and my little face masks and all the things that I love to display out on my shelf ladder. In the mason jars, I do keep bath salts that we do use a lot of. I found that really cute basket at Hobby Lobby, and I just use it for my hand towels. The two frames that I'm going to place up here are from Hobby Lobby, and so are all of the faux plants that are going to go up here. So this is how my bathroom turned out. I really love it. I hope you also love the way it turned out, and I hope this motivates you to decorate your bathroom in whatever way makes you feel the happiest. Really quick, those two glass jars on my wooden tray are also from the Dollar Tree. If there's anything in this video that you want to know where I purchased it from, just ask me in the comments section below and I will gladly let you know. And if you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you and see you in the next one.